Let's do a quick one. How to trade a trend with a trading robot. Some of you are having difficulties trading the trend with a robot, or better still, setting your robot accurately to be able to be more profitable from the result is already given you. I believe some of you have had certain experiences that you didn't like because you made profit and along the line the losses came running in. So I'm going to teach you shortly how to trade a trend with the trading robots, especially the ones that trade the trends, right? And before that, let me just talk about the new website, which is boomandcrash.com, where I'm offering the bots for free. You can always go through the website there's an ultimate guide for beginners. Those who are fresh beginners can go through the videos and all that. The partnership, the synthetic markets, you can just click around, and then I'm also offering mentorship, where you can choose to enroll. I've reduced the price due to popular request. When you come here, you can enroll, and we'll be meeting on Google Meet. And the terms and conditions are here. If you want to pay with Skrill, you have to check the Skrill payments. The monthly package, the monthly package for that covers the year is 40 per month, and then one time, which is 400. These are the things you benefit from, and then you fill the form, and I get back to you with your subscription. Also, you have the bots page where you can get the trading robots for free. All these are MT5 robots. You can also learn how to copy trade. I'll teach you how to set up copy trade. For those of you who want to manage accounts, or who are account managers, want to learn how to rightly set your MT5 to copy trades on several devices. You can also register. The training is 80. I've not had any popular requests requesting reduction in the fee, so it stands at 80. And then mentorship, which I've already covered, and the contacts are here and all that. So you can always, there's your home, there's your site, you can just go through the website and enjoy. So back to what I was talking about, trading a trend with the trading robot. So just click this, read everything, click this, and then you have the download accessible. You can use it on your real account as well, not just the demo account, but the real account as well. So Boom and Crash, this is just about it, offering subtitles in English, French, and Spanish. You can find my videos, just go through them and learn something. Yes, so back to our MT5 chart. So if I want to trade a trend with a robot, let's say I have a stochastic buy, as it is a crash market. Okay, so crash buys automatically. So if I switch to M1, you see that it's buying later. You see it's buying automatically. See, it's buying here, right? So we want the bot to be such that it's always identifying the trends and entering instead of being caught by the spikes. Because if I put a stochastic buy here, it's supposed to be buying on the crash market, because we are trading intrinsically, right? So what I'll do first is to help myself with a moving average, an exponential moving average of 50. I can make it, I like to choose black, and then I'll make this exponential. The color really doesn't matter, you can choose any color you want. Yes, and then so this is what I'm going to do, and I'm going to add another one, an exponential of one period. I can make it, say, blue, right? So if I'm going to use the bots to trade this, what's going to happen is that if I'm trading a trade, the main aim is that I'm aiming at dodging all the spikes. And as you can see here, if we are running with a stochastic buy, okay, if you have to run this stochastic buy, and then we set our inputs, we set everything here and all that, what we are going to do is I want the bot to be buying along the trend, not against the trend, because at this area the bot will be losing. So to avoid taking trades in this area, we are going to work with 50 and then 1. So I've set two moving averages, one is 50 and the other is 1. So anytime the 50 crosses below the 1, or anytime 1 crosses above 50, I would set a crossover alert. Okay, because an alert tool, you don't even need to tick any of these boxes. Then I'm going to set my moving averages. So maybe 50, or I can put 1 here, 1 exponential. Okay, let me type it in, because if I don't do, people will ask me. It's funny how people can ask me certain kinds of questions. All right, exponential, then it's going to tell you if the lower one crossed below the higher one. Okay, then it's going to give you alert, or if the lower MA crossed above the higher MA. So if you are confused about it, just watch my video on MA crossover alert. Go to my channel and search for it. So you do that, and then you click OK. Then you wait to receive an alert. So if you receive an alert here, then you can bring in your buy, or if your buy is already on, okay, you just turn on the algo trading after you receive the alert. Then you let it trade. So you can actually open 2 windows. This I can put this here, crash 1000, and I'll change the template to, I should have saved. Okay, let me save this template. Okay, later, we'll talk about that later. But then I can open 2 windows. Okay, that was going to be a long process. Open 2 windows. All right, then one is giving me an alert, one is trading. So whenever I'm not trading, when the alert is not yet in, I'll turn off my algo trading. So if I get my alert that the one has crossed the 50, I'll just come here and turn on the bot. Okay, so it's going to trade a trend. Now what happens is that all these spikes are happening below the 50. You realize it hasn't crossed above 50, so I'll be safe if I don't turn my bots at this point. I will be safe from all the spikes. And then it crosses again here. You see all these ones dodges the spikes, because the bot won't be trading here. Then from here, what happens? I enter again, I turn on my bot, then another one, so I get this and I get this. I get 3 points to trade, 1, 2, 3. But then if I was turning the bot on throughout, I'll be getting a lot of losses here. So that's what happened. So if you have to trade with a trend, use MA50 and then 1 exponential. All right, so that your bot can dodge all the spikes, and then you go in the winning ways, and then you trade along the trend. All right, so you could also switch to M5 and then do likewise. You can take 1 candle, 2 candles, 3 candles. That will be, if you take 3 candles on M5, that's 15 candles on M1. Right, so that's how it works. Very, 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 very simple. That's a huge spike. All right, so guys, like this video, share and comment below. Let me know your thoughts. Also sign up for mentorship as I take you through things I don't teach on a normal day. Thank you and bye.